Hey, it's Christine doing a review for this Squeaky Dog Ball. What I really like about this product is that it supposedly cleans my dog's teeth as he bites onto the ball. But for my dog, he really loves the squeaker inside this ball. Honestly, it can get a little annoying, but it's one of my dog's favorite toy. After a couple of months, the squeaker stopped working. But my dog still loves playing with this toy, which is great for me too because now it's quiet. I personally think he likes the feeling of when he chomps down on the ball like a stress ball. I recommend this toy because it's my dog's favorite and he loves playing with it.